Let's see how you can improve the speed of your website in this video. I would suggest you to get it tested on gdmetrics.com or tools.pingdom.com. These are the best places to test your website and the performance of your website. It'll give you a detailed analysis on where your website is getting affected in terms of loading time. I'll also give you some suggestions on how to make the necessary changes to correct those shortcomings. This way, you will know exactly what to modify in order to boost your website speed. There are several factors that affect a website speed. For example, hosting is one of them. Depending upon the size of your website, you need to choose between shared hosting or dedicated hosting. If your website is a small one with just a few pages, you may go for shared hosting. But if yours is a large website with several thousands or millions of pages, you need to go for dedicated hosting. The hosting company also plays a major role in the website speed. So select a reliable hosting company that offers excellent speed for your website. It's advisable to go for a host that provides an extensive range of services that includes things like domain name registration, data backup, free site transfer, Google Apps integration, SSH access, unlimited disk speed, multiple website on one account option, and the like.